Welcome to Varuna Garden. I'm Vandana and today is another unboxing video. And no prizes for guessing. This is again hibiscus. So this month in January, I went a little crazy and shopped for a host of hibiscus plants. All of this is in preparation for cross-pollination with my own seedlings in a couple of months. Right now there's just one plant that has put out bud, and I'm hoping in at least 3-4 months, by the time these exotic hibiscus settle, my plants also would have put on a couple of buds. So when both of them are in bloom, I plan to cross-pollinate and get some really unique ones, and of course this will be in the year 2024. Okay, now without wasting any more time, let's quickly unbox the second parcel that I got from another seller. I got these hibiscus from a nursery called Maa Horticulture. They are also based in West Bengal, and I got this reference from my Instagram friend Hibiscus Freak. I reached out to the seller via their Facebook page. They had a lot of offers and the available plants, and I had the contact details there. Arup is the person that I spoke to. He's the owner, and he sent me a list of all the plants that they have via WhatsApp. I chose the plants that I wanted and made the payment online. The best part is the plants were delivered to me within 1 day. Initially, I was a little disappointed and frustrated that I'm not getting the order immediately, but then the owner explained that they have earlier orders that need to be sent, and mine is going to be delivered after a couple of days. So as soon as you book, you're not going to get the order, so keep that in mind. Alright, so here are the plants. Before I give you a closer look at the IDs, let me show you this. The first one is called First Love. This is Celestial Quilt, Cess Spawn, and the yellow color one is Harvest Moon. This one is Love Story. This is Taiwan Lavender Rainbow, which is missing, and this one is an unknown. The seller doesn't know the ID. Okay, so here they are, and this is how they look. All of them have at least a photo, if not the ID. This one has the ID but no photo, says Spawn, but I know how it looks. I just showed it to you. Okay, so now I'm going to give a good spray of Epsom salt water to my plants. This one's already wet, so just a little. Well, there you go. Here are the plants. Yes, one is missing. I was so very disappointed and initially very angry, and I reached out to the seller and let him know this is what has happened. He was understanding and he refunded me the amount the same evening, so that was a consolation. I'm happy that I have at least received 6 plants. They're all healthy and I can't wait for these to put out blooms. So I have a total of 6 plus 5, 11 exotic hibiscus, and I can't wait for all of them to bloom and thrive in my garden, and can't wait to cross-pollinate my seedlings with all of these, and of course have blooms maybe in 2024. It's a long wait, but I'm in it for the long haul. Well, thank you for watching my video, everyone. I will see you in another one. Until then, happy gardening. Bye.